While you're thinking about the best way to start your day, we're going to show you some ingenious construction workers who have elevated their skills to new heights by finding joy and satisfaction in their work. So watch this video until the end to see the pros doing what they do best. This is how an expert worker compacts cement in just a few seconds using a simple pipe. If a Swiss watch were human, it would undoubtedly be these 10 impeccably synchronized guys. Check out this guy hammering nails at the speed of light. This worker paints all the markings so perfectly by hand that even a machine can't make it so satisfying. Check out this operator controlling the bucket with surgical precision. For the perfect worker, not even their shoes leave a mark. The bricklayer who set up these bricks knows exactly how to enjoy his work. A single putty knife is all you need to create a flawless curved border. If you're a true construction genius, that is. Now, watch this super skilled worker create an incredible marble wall with a spatula. Look at how masterfully this guy levels a long road in just a matter of seconds. Now this is the most enjoyable way to paint walls. This worker has brought Minecraft into the real world. It's amazing how accurately this guy uses a grinder to create perfect lines on tile. A master excavator driver found a creative way to spend his free time by playing tic-tac-toe. Finally, he has a worthy adversary. Roofing becomes an enjoyable process when this master gets down to business. This brilliant woman figured out a creative way to make expensive-looking stones using ordinary cement by putting it in a bag. Incredible! Check out this smooth way of creating steps. Incredibly impressive. This person's self-preservation instincts pale in comparison to a job well done. This excavator operator doesn't need any help because he can load the equipment in his own unique way. A Bollywood star paints houses during film breaks. Looks like a new passion. This is what perfect bricklaying looks like. While an ordinary worker spends all day plastering a wall, this guy can do it in just a few seconds. These guys have their own unique method for getting sand to the second floor. Just one of these bags weighs 50 kilograms. Now count them all and tell me, how does he do that? This construction worker smoothly spreads hot molten bitumen like frosting on a cake. This is an example of what working together with your best friend can look like, but only if you're both total pros. A safety harness and attention to detail allows this builder to easily place this massive structure on a towering 5-meter metal base. The 10 years it took to build the Great Wall of China would have been done in a week if this guy had been on the clock. You are now looking at the master of polyurethane foam. Look at how this worker sprays exactly the right amount. Tasked with creating a perfectly level floor without special tools, this resourceful worker came up with an ingenious solution of his own. The way this painter handles such high ceilings deserves an award. Before you is the god of grinding. How else do you explain his ability to create the coolest puzzle ever? With a single fluid motion, this genius transforms a plain concrete wall into a stunning brick one. This perfectionist found a clever way to smooth out a column without a single motion. Only in the hands of skilled craftsmen can a simple tool create such a perfectly flat surface. And now, allow me to introduce you to the Cristiano Ronaldo of the construction world. Sandblasting allows you to renovate an old door in a matter of seconds. Give this guy some tile and he will create a truly convincing 3D illusion in your hallway. It's amazing how such a complicated process can be done in just one movement. An innovative worker devised a stencil to craft unique designs on the ground. You've all probably seen a mosaic floor before, but I bet you have no idea how it was made. Thanks to these ingenious stamps, nobody has to pick up and lay out stones anymore. This woman isn't afraid of dirty work and heavy bricks. And and this one uses bricks like dumbbells. Now that's some motivation. Even a 400-ton house can be moved anywhere in the world when a whole team of pros works together. With this hack, your floor won't ever budge again. Watch this puzzle transform into an ultra-precise corner of an external plinth. Check out this life hack that can make old linoleum look like new with just a few simple motions. A tape measure allows you to achieve the perfect cut for drywall. Even the challenging task of achieving a perfectly round cut becomes effortless. It's just perfect. Don't throw away that plastic bottle just yet. It can be used as a jack. Check out this simple yet sophisticated wallpapering technique that makes seams virtually disappear. An ordinary rope can help maintain the perfect gap between bricks. Did you know that using a food delivery service can save you money on expensive garden tiles? And just like that, a few metal pipes saved these guys from some arm and back pain. To quickly and evenly spread a liquid across a surface, all you have to do is cut some holes in a bucket and stretch. A drain cover can easily be hidden in the floor using a rotating system for easy access. With some drywall and glue, you'll make the seams on the floor literally disappear. And here's a cool way to quickly remove plaster. If you miscalculated while installing a door and now it's hard to open, just know that you can always sand it down to the size you want. These blocks are held together with heavy-duty foam cement. Just look at the loads they can hold. It looks exactly like a Minecraft glitch. Haven't thrown out that empty bottle yet? Good, because it's perfect for avoiding unnecessary dirt while you work. Just a few simple cuts are all that's needed to fit decking right into a column. If your garage is already full of junk, we have an idea. How about you take advantage of the space in the ceiling? Use this homemade dual roller mechanism to save time on painting by hand. To quickly cut a hole for the inner plate, you should use a perforator with crowns. To make such a stunning oval threshold, all you need is an ordinary measuring stick. An ingenious mechanism involving a pencil and wire makes it easier to dock the board with rocks of any shape. Check out this original house design using glass bottles. Check out how well a few cheap rails can transform into a wall for zoning space. Next time you run out of glue, don't run straight out to the store to buy more, because a plastic bottle works just as well. Check out this hack that each one of your fingers will thank you for. A grinder can help you cut a perfectly round hole in a tile if you cut it like a pizza first. A level and a marker are the best tools for making diamond brickwork. Here's an idea for you. Make a real cyber wall out of drywall. Mind-blowing, huh? It has never been easier or cheaper to make the most original PVC pipe table in the world. Are those fish? This idea is just insanely cool. This guy used a metal ladle to save himself many hours of painstaking work with a shovel. Instead of spending tons of time taking measurements, you can use a fixed bracket and just throw a shelf up on it. Check out the fastest way to remove labels from plastic pipes. Just look at how this unusual technique causes bricks to instantly come together under the pressure of a rope. Why wear yourself out and waste time grouting between bricks when you could do it like this worker? This guy decided to take care of his health by flying on the air conditioner instead of carrying it.
Check out this smart way of using every drop of concrete without any waste. Removing parquet flooring usually takes a lot of time, but not when it's done by an experienced craftsman. What do you think of this innovative method of transporting slate? The work crew discovered a fast, convenient way to transport pipes using straps. The ingenious simplicity with which this worker creates a perfect curve left me in shock. Somebody is extremely meticulous, but the result is 100 times better than you would ever expect. The system settings for this team are cooler than Google Analytics. This amazing worker doesn't believe in the concept of stronger and weaker sexes. The way this level glides smoothly over this wooden frame speaks volumes about the craftsmanship of the builders. Even Hawkeye would be jealous of this person's accuracy. While other people are racking their brains over complex 3D projects, this professional just takes a spatula and makes it simple. It takes a lot of painstaking work by professionals to lay a carpet on such a large area. Take a look at the incredible surgical precision of this craftsmanship. When the worker finally understands the phrase, "work smarter, not harder," all a master craftsman needs to create an incredibly cool floor is some glue, confetti, and lacquer. Don't be surprised if you get a high bill from this expert because he can do the work of 10 people. Apparently, these workers were able to turn off gravity. How else do you explain them carrying their loads without wobbling? Wow, in just 2 quick movements, the holes disappear like magic. What is this, if not a dream team? Just looking at this is already powerful. But no one can compare to this woman's skill. With unmatched bravery and precision, this professional will install an air conditioner on any skyscraper, no matter how high. Check out how this person creates a real tree with just a little magic and a plastering trowel. Does anyone have a phone number for these guys? I need them on my street ASAP. In about an hour of work on this bulldozer, the guy can dig out an entire pit. After such high-quality work, it's impossible to find where the seams were on the walls. No way! This guy brought the bright color back to those chairs using a torch. It's incredible what plaster can do in the hands of someone with an imagination. Guys, don't stop. Watching this perfect flume being formed is pure satisfaction. I could watch this guy do this forever. Who would have thought that you only need 2 pros to perfectly paint a massive ship? How do you like this perfectly designed, long-lasting staircase? Now, check out this super fast build. When best friends work together, they always get the best results. Check out the most dangerous job in the world, building a wooden road on a 500-meter cliff. Don't worry, the skilled specialists are on it. This guy's sense of balance threw me off balance. When it comes to intricate laminate patterns, this specialist is second to none. Blink and you'll miss it. Go check your brick walls to see if they're real. Maybe this genius worked on them. Imagine how powerful you'd feel while controlling this industrial giant. It's hard to believe that this master can create such delicate details with such a crude tool. Imagine having this guy's sense of depth perception. You know you're a top-level welder when you're entrusted with making a giant ship propeller. Here's more proof of that. 1, 2, and the wall is perfectly plastered. Believe me, These guys are so experienced that they can afford to take measurements like this. This guy's concentration is top-notch. He doesn't waste any time on unnecessary movements. This skilled craftswoman isn't afraid of a few heavy wooden planks. Before watching this video, I had no idea that laminate could be used for cladding like that. What process do you find the most satisfying? Write in the comments. Give a team of master craftsmen a couple of minutes on the field, and you'll have the best lawn for foot races. The future looks bright for this smart kid. Check out the genius who has mastered the art of laying concrete. Six workers have merged into one precise machine. Without a meticulous worker behind it, no machine is capable of performing high-quality work. Enjoy watching the long process of building a skate park in just a few seconds. My mind is blown by the smoothness this worker achieves with his huge tool. This guy's come up with a method for creating textured walls using nothing but gravel. Here's how they make a facade with the smaller versions. These workers have mastered a special technique for laying bricks in a circle, and all I can think is, how? Let's stop here for today. Be sure to write in the comments about which professional's work impressed you the most and why.